Hey friends, today I'm exploring the bare root roses at Lowe's to see what they have in stock, and then I'm heading to the Dollar Tree to check out their gardening supplies. Stick around for some fun finds and budget-friendly tips for your garden. Hey y'all, it's Amanda and this is my Texas Zone 8 garden. And before we dive in, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with a friend. Okay, so I'm out and about today. I am going to run by Lowe's Home Improvement to check out their rose selection. And then we're going to swing by the Dollar Tree and check out some of their spring gardening stuff. They usually have quite a bit that comes out in January. Okay, we are over here at Lowe's. I'm at the Lowe's in Murphy, Texas. And they've got all of their roses in as well. And I'm not gonna lie, it legit looks like the same exact selection from Home Depot. Like literally in the same order, which I'm kind of surprised. Usually they're much different. Interesting. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through and show you all the varieties, and we'll see if there's anything that I have to have. I already see one that interests me. So let's start about here. Now, they do have the bloomables, which is different from Home Depot, and these definitely have more of like the David Austin styling, which is super fun. So this first one is the bloomables Sweet Mademoiselle, and you can see the really cupped, kind of antiqued look. It's $20. This bloomables right here is Sunbelt Savannah, a really pale pink color. Two varieties of that. Now this is a popular variety right here, the Romantica Moonlight. And it almost looks like a Floribunda look because it's got clusters of roses. It's really pretty. This has all been messed with. So I wonder if there's a different variety towards the back. I don't see any different varieties back there, but so those are the three types of bloomables that they have. And this one right here is a Mayland Rose Eternal Flame. Kind of a really bright yellow color. This is a mother of pearl, and my familiarity with a mother of pearl, this is a lot more peach looking in the photo. It's actually a little bit more of a pink tone, but I love mother of pearl. I wouldn't mind having that. All right, down here are all the True Blooms, which is a company, and you can also get the True Blooms at Walmart for less expensive. It'll be smaller rootstock because, I mean, this is a massive rootstock right here. All of these are grafted roses. So you can see this is the original rootstock of a different rose, and then they grafted whatever this variety is onto it. So these are all grafted roses. Non-grafted roses, original roots, are far more expensive. So the True Blooms, you can get these same varieties at Walmart for cheaper. So this particular variety is called True Serenity, kind of an orange tone. They all have the word true, so True Passion. More Serenity, 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 Passion. This one is a Floribunda True Joy. And remember, if you missed my last video, on types of roses, you really want to look at these types of roses. The Floribunda, which is known for clusters of roses at the end of the stem. Hybrid Tea, which is known for a single rose at the end of a single stem. We'll see if we run across any other varieties. Let's see. Right here we have Frances Mayland, that's just lovely. Hybrid Tea Rose. Really pretty. This one, True Joy. That's another of those True Bloom varieties. True Passion, which we already looked at. True Serenity and True Serenity. Okay, we've got some climbers over here. Joseph's Coat. Really pretty, lots of variety of color. Doesn't say its size on the front. Another climbing pinata. Like, these are the same ones. They usually have different ones than Home Depot. Another climber, New Dawn, which is lovely. Very pretty. This one says grow 3 together. Interesting. All the climbers say grow 3 together. All the plants say 3 together. I just bet they want. Interesting. I wonder what that means. It says patent, U.S. patent pending. Interesting. I'll have to look that up. If I figure it out, I'll put it on here what it means. Lagerfeld, which is kind of a pinkish with a touch of purple. Climbing Royal Gold. And here's one that I picked up from Home Depot, Zephyrin Drohen. Very pretty. This one right here is Hot Cocoa, which has a little bit of a brown tint to it. We looked at Lagerfeld. This is Love and Peace. It's a hybrid tea. Remember, hybrid teas are grown for one long stem with one large bloom on it. Now, this Grandiflora, this is a combination of hybrid tea and Floribunda. And Grandiflora is basically a cluster of larger roses at the end of the stem. So this Floribunda combined with the hybrid tea makes a Grandiflora. New Day, Gold Medal, which looks like a deeper golden yellow, which is pretty. Cherry Parfait, Love. Okay, more of the Lagerfeld. This one is Perfume Delight. Black Baccara, which is a stunning dark red rose with black edges. Really pretty. Chrysler Imperial. Cardinal. Let's see what this guy is over here. He's turned. Another cardinal. Okay, we have Miss All-American Beauty. Belinda's Dream, which is excellent beginner Texas rose. So if you are wanting to start roses, this is what I suggest. Loves the heat, very day resistant, smells beautiful, beautiful color. Olympiad. Mr. Lincoln, I have this variety. It grows large, beautiful red roses. Absolutely stunning. Showbiz, so this is a Floribunda, so it's going to have a cluster of roses at the end of its stem. Chicago Peace, I have this one as well. Mine has a little bit more yellow tone in it. Mr. Lincoln again, Hot Cocoa, Chicago Peace, Love and Peace, New Day. We have seen all of these, Iceberg and Iceberg. There is an Iceberg climbing rose, not here, but something you can look for. Iceberg again, Sunsprite. These are going to a different quality. So this up here is grade A. These are much larger rootstocks up here, and these are almost $17. And then down here, it's smaller rootstocks for $10. So another Sunsprite, Chrysler Imperial. This one's called Queen Elizabeth. Really pretty. Tropicana. And then this is a climbing rose called Golden Showers. Okay, this variety is called Red Masterpiece. We've seen New Day. This one is Peace. I have Peace too. I think I was getting that confused with my Chicago Peace. I have this one as well. Mr. Lincoln, Perfume Delight. We've seen all those. Baccara. Someone come get these Baccara roses. They're great. Gold Glow. Peace again. New Day. Hot Cocoa. Angel Face. I feel like Kristen likes this rose. I need to give her a call and ask. John F. Kennedy. Love and Peace. Sentimental. Sunsprite. and cardinal. Can I also say that this drives me crazy? Like, this is attached. You go to flip it up to read, and it's all upside down. So you literally have to like turn your body and look at it from that way. I know I'm being ridiculous, but that's annoying. Yeah, they all did it. It's all upside down. Somebody needs to fix that for us gardeners. I do really like this sweet mademoiselle. Not enough to buy it. And this, I do love mother of pearl, but I think I'm going to pass up on it for now. Look at these blooming camellias. I just talked about hardy winter plants for winter color. How I'm obsessed with the camellias, but nervous to grow them because they don't grow as well. Several of y'all said I need to grow this particular variety, Sansqua, but it does well in our area. It blooms fall and winter. How pretty. I like that. It's $35. Camellias are pricey, y'all. Pretty though. Okay, a little disappointed in the Lowe's roses. And I think it's because I've already been to Home Depot and they had almost all the same stuff. And I think it would have been reversed. Had I gone to Lowe's first, I would have been disappointed when I went to Home Depot. I'm just surprised that they have all the same things. And that hasn't necessarily happened in the past. But anyway, I'm going to swing over to the Dollar Tree and let's check out what they have. Okay, so I ended up needing to do a voiceover on the Dollar Tree because partway through there's just people come right up next to me, so it was awkward. Anyway, I was interested in these cloches right here. I thought they were really cool. I thought that these could be beneficial in early spring. They have holes in the side, so you can run like plant stakes through them to keep them down. But I thought, what a really cool way to protect something that you might plant out in late winter, early spring. This is where I get all of my water catch for my plants. They have a few other little things. I'm just kind of checking out everything. I'm not necessarily interested in all the things, but I wanted to show y'all. They have lots of gloves. Their gloves are very flimsy, so I think that they're good for general work, but nothing too serious. This little mister I thought was really cute. I don't know what I would do with it, but I liked it. They had some compressed seed starter mix for those of y'all who want to try out seed starter mix versus potting soil, you can give that a try if you are interested. They have different things for hanging your pots or brackets, which are cool. I've never seen their stuff for feeding birds here, so I thought that was interesting. I always encourage looking up the ingredients and making sure that it's okay for your area. Hummingbird stuff. They have these little seed starter pots, which I've tried before. They don't break down very fast, just to give you a heads up in regards to that. Lots of little sets of seeds, which are really, really fun, especially for kiddos. So all those pre-potted ones are really fun for little kids to get started. Just checking out the impatiens because I've been wanting to start some more impatiens. Down here, they have the little seed starting trays. These lids do not stay on very well. I have tried them. And some little grow pots if you're interested. More seeds. Now over here is their 4 for $1.25, and I have had nothing but success with my Dollar Tree seeds, and I've heard lots of other people having awesome success with theirs as well. So this is a great way if you are a budget gardener or you are wanting to keep things really inexpensive. You can totally come by the Dollar Tree and check it out. I've grown the petunias before and they were lovely in my garden. I saw the tall snapdragons here, which would be fun, and you can still start those right now, which would be awesome. Lots of zinnia varieties. It's a little early to start zinnias. And then for those of you who are wanting to grow food, lots of options of peppers and herbs and fruit and tomatoes and beans and pumpkins and all of the things. And it's such an awesome price. It's worth a try. So they had some cute plant hangers, which I thought were super cute. They always have some interesting decor. I like the sign. I thought that was fun and simple. I thought the little frogs are super cute. I think those are for hanging plants, but I'm not real sure. And then I love these little frog sculptures at the bottom. I thought were super adorable and be really fun tucked in some cute containers. Okay, this area is where everything's a little more expensive, like the $3 to $5 range. Lots of containers here, a little flimsy, but really good to kind of start off with, especially if you don't want to move around heavy containers. These work really well. I thought they had some pretty colors and some fun stuff to look at. I loved the plant stands down here. I love the bright colors. They were only $5, and I thought those are fabulous. And I'm very interested in these self-watering containers that were all $5. You'll never find a self-watering container for $5, but I like the neutral colors of them, and I might end up giving those a try. Okay, so they had some other decor, some lanterns, just some garden stakes that you can put in, which I thought were super cute. They had some lights for outside. I like solar lights. I think that they're really fun. And then I kind of got my eye caught by these up here, these flowers, especially because one of them is purple. But basically, it's a solar stake light with a glowing flower, which I'm not gonna lie, I thought was super cute. I might, I might pick those up. We'll see. I'm trying not to buy like a lot of decor for my garden, but look at these mushrooms. How cute would those be tucked in little containers? They had some knee pads here, which I thought were kind of cool, and they were actually pretty thick, which I thought was nice. And then I walked over to another area where they have a ton of garden stakes, which I think are super cute and fun. If you want to add a little bit of whimsy to your garden, I like the windmills. I thought the spinning windmills I think are super cute. Now they did have a few other tools, so I really like this kind of narrow shaped spade. Now this will not work in really hard, dry, or sticky soil, so it just mainly be for like potting soil situations. They have lots of pruning shears, and I have used them in the past. They usually don't last for multiple years, but if you're just a beginner gardener getting started, they're worth a try. Here's one of the larger spade or trowels. This is just like a little rake cultivator for breaking up larger clumps of dirt. But like I said, these are not heavy duty items. Serrated pruners as well. But like I said, they're not all heavy duty items. They'll last for a couple of years, which if that works well for your budget until you're willing to invest into something a little bit more substantial, then that's what you should go for. Lots of these pots, these were all $1.25. I really liked these ones with the ridges. I thought were super cute. Okay, so they had pretty much everything that I expected. I got to emphasize that Dollar Tree seeds are great. You should try them. Super cheap, especially if you're wanting to start your seed starting journey and you don't want to spend a lot of money. Great place to get started there. I actually bought a lot of my original gardening supplies from the Dollar Tree many years ago. I really, really like that really kind of like narrow spade. I thought was pretty freaking cute. And I will say these tools don't hold up forever, but they're a good start and an inexpensive start and it can meet a lot of the needs that you might have to get starting off with. I said start a lot. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you have picked up any roses from Lowe's or if you picked up any of the gardening supplies from the Dollar Tree. Also, let me know where you have seen roses coming in. I'm looking for roses, clematis, peonies. Let me know if you've seen any of those come in recently and what stores they're at. As always, make sure you like and comment on the video. Every time you like and comment, it helps grow the video so much. And if you don't feel comfortable leaving a comment, just drop me an emoji below, letting me know that you made it to the end of the video and that you say hi. And be sure to check me out on my social media outlets, including Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. If TikTok ends up getting banned, you can find me on YouTube Shorts. As always, she's a mad gardener or a decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.